Hello, everybody. This is Simon from Simon W.Y. Huang. So right now, I am just gonna take a quick SEO audit or SEO tutorial on how we can do a quick upgrade to our SEO, our search ranking. Now, because there's a lot of things that's being changed in 2018, I've been trying to implement a lot of little techniques that I've learned from very famous people like Brian Dean from Backlinko, also like Neil Patel from Neil Patel. He's the online marketing guru. People like them basically tell me a lot of great things. They're definitely my mentor in this online marketing field. So what I'm trying to do is SEO wise, let's focus on ranking a page. Should I do page or should I do post? Because basically, if we want to do, let's see, if we want to do post, it would be a lot easier than doing it for the page. Let's see if I can change screen. And okay, nobody's here yet, so I'm gonna just keep going. If we're to change screen, let's go to my website and switch it to my screen. This one, yeah, this one. Okay, so you can't see me right now, but I'm still there. So this is my main page. As you can see, it's a little bit awkward. I turn off some files. So, but I'm actually going to show you the back end of this page. This is very, very cool. So let's see. How do I hide this? Okay, so because we're in WordPress, you're going to go into edit page. That's where you're going into back end of this particular individual pages. So if we see here, there's a yellow Y sign with a green mark. It says it's green. So this is the plugin called Yoast SEO. If anybody want this, I will leave the link to download this, or you can just go into plugin and then search for Yoast SEO. On the right hand side, it says here readability is okay, but SEO is good. So we want to go down there. This is our page content, so it shows you what I put in. Okay, so we're down here now. So WordPress web design. So this is the Yoast SEO custom field. So this is where magic happens in WordPress. It's a lot easier to do these things. Let's see. Because this is a page. Pages are usually static. It's not changing much. So oh, I didn't share it to people. Okay, well, because this is a page, it's hard to do a lot of things that's written over here. For example, I can do focus keyword, and it says here WordPress website design. I should probably do a different thing. WordPress website design and Toronto. Oh, okay, let's not do that. If I want to rank, I can change this. WordPress website design down Toronto. WordPress website design, branding, and marketing downtown Toronto, and site name. Okay, so this is too long. This is too long. So if I want to rank, like I think I mentioned that in my previous video about ranking and brand query. So if I wanted to do that, I need to put my name in there no matter what. So if I can just take away branding, WordPress website design. Sorry, my mouse is acting weird. Okay, still saying website design, downtown Toronto. If it's a little longer, okay, website design. See, I want to rank for the downtown Toronto. Okay, so if I want to do that, if I were to do that, WordPress website design downtown Toronto, Simon W.Y. Huang. So I'm gonna rank WordPress website design, and then my local SEO, local query is downtown Toronto, and that way I can still put in my brand name, which is my name. Okay, slug, I'm not changing it because it's a homepage. So let's change this. WordPress website design is a crucial part of running a business. And if this is written out here, it should be okay. So let's just not change anything, but let's go into back end. So this page here is actually very useful. Whenever you're pasting your URL, you will see sometimes it has like a screen, like we'll put this, for example, I'm just doing it in the thing. So it will show this. Still the old one. Okay, hold on. Let's delete this. Let's delete that. Okay, so let's save this first. Update. And let's try finding out if this is being updated. Still the same, huh? Okay. Reload. I guess nobody's here yet. No worry. I'll. You guys can watch the replay. And let's see. Still the same. Okay, so that's weird. Leave. I think I need to go into my search console. Google Tools, search console, and then we want to modify this one. I didn't talk about search console before, but I will talk about that in the next video or so. Crawl. Okay, so we want to fetch as Google. Fetch Google, fetch and render. Let's still loading. Still loading. So anytime that you update your website and you want Google to kind of like know that you updated, you need to go into Search Console, Google Search Console, and then just do an edit, indexing, crawl the URL and direct link. So index. So you want to submit for indexing. And that's it. That should be it. That should be the easiest way. And then you go back in and see. Still the same. Okay, forget about that. Don't worry. It's crawling, so it's gonna be there. Okay, so that's the first part you should be doing for SEO. If you're using WordPress, you want to go and look into Yoast SEO and see what it says. So far we covered that. Okay, so focus keywords never used before, which means that you're not using the same focus keyword in the other pages, so that it doesn't create a duplicate content. SEO title has a nice length, which means that you won't see like the dot. Let me show you an example again. And then you see like a long title. So let's forget about that. We don't need to worry about that. Now let's work no follow internal link. 0 no follow internal link. So no follow means that you don't want to index. I want to index them. They all have to be regular internal links. So it goes down to my other pages, like my about page, service page, etc. Length of meta description is sufficient. So if we look at this is how we see it in Google. So if we look at this, we can see like, oh, okay, so mobile view, this is how it looks like. And meta description contains a focus keyword. This is my focus keyword because I put it over here. So you want to make sure that it's in the front. Okay, so make your sentence make sense, and then see how that goes. No outbound link appear in this page. Consider adding some as appropriate. So we got a little bit of problem. Outbound link is usually pages linking outside, like Wikipedia link, and so this is actually really hard. As in the home page, you don't want anything like that to happen. When you're writing a blog post, it's okay. It's definitely great to have outbound links. So let's forget about that. Subheading, in any subheading. So if we take a look at this in any subheading in the copy. Okay, so I need to fix that. WordPress website design. So it's basically telling me that I have to put this keyword in here. How do I do that? Oh, okay, yeah. So I have to go into change heading. So guys, if you are like using my theme or my template, everything that I do will follow it very easily, okay? So I actually have to put this in the WordPress website design. So I were to write this WordPress website design is and improve your business practices business. Clear that. Okay, improve your practices business. And then you write something like okay, I'm gonna change this keyword. WordPress website design for healthcare professional entrepreneur. WordPress website design can help can improve your practice business if done correctly by the right. Okay, so let's see if it works. I mean, I'm just trying to rank it. I'll think about what to write better. But if we go back to the page and see home page, well, first of all, let's see how it looks. I don't really like having like this, so I'm gonna change it. Okay, I'll let it load. So page headers is a very useful tool that you can make your page looks awesome. Okay, so it's good. Okay, so this is good. So if we go back to edit page again, delete that. We should have that taken off. It still doesn't. Huh. In the copy. In the copy. Okay, so it's saying that. Okay, WordPress website design uneasy. Uneasy. How's that? To do that, does it work? Does it work? Okay, so it works. So now this one's changed to focus keyword appear only in 1 out of 17 subheading. Since I have a lot of subheading, I need to put more in there. I'll try to put more in there. So you see, we're trying to make sure that the keyword is being emphasized. Let's see what else. Image on this page do not have alt attribute containing the focus keyword. Okay, let's see. Go into the first image and look at this so you can see alt attribute. Okay, so let's put that in. I'll put 1. And I'll put 2. Actually, I'll put everything. Just to save time, I'm going to put everything in there so that it catches this. You want to make sure that every single image has alt attributes, so it's shown over here. So the way to do it is you go to image, you click on the edit, and you look at underneath advanced option, image alt attribute, and you put the focus keyword in and do that for every single one of them. Make sure no image is left behind. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. Just need to figure out how. But whenever I'm doing this, I will actually doing the audit like this. Like I'll actually look at Yoast SEO first and see if there's anything that's missing, because this is the easiest way to change. And I think that's it. On this page, do not. It's still showing like that. Why? It has it. Limit title attribute. Okay. If we do that, okay. Well, it should be right. I mean, I'm gonna save. Let's see what else is there. Okay, it definitely has it. Keyword density found 1 time. So this keyword, I have to put it in somewhere. Somewhere here. Somewhere here. Oh, your WordPress web design. See if it works. Okay, so it has that. Focus keyword does not appear in the first paragraph. Make sure the top is clearly. First paragraph meaning this. Sorry, I needed to sigh. First paragraph. This is the first paragraph. So what we need to do is WordPress web design. Website design can be really easy if you use the done for you WordPress template to start building your practices website design. Done for you clinic starter template. That's the actual thing. And we can actually super link this and to the download link, which I have it for download in case you guys want to start building a website really easily. And that should be okay now. Please tell me that's okay. It is in there. What is wrong with the thing? All right, sometimes it has some problem, but as long as you have it in there. Okay, so let's view that again, see how that look. If you use the done for you clinic Kickstarter website template to start. Okay, it's in there. Now I usually design this in a different page builder. It's called Beaver Builder, but I changed it to another one. I think it's easier to make. So that's why I turned the other one off. It looks a little odd. It should look a little bit more like this. See, it's looking really nice, right? It's pretty cool. If I click on this one, it will jump to here. I still need to edit the rest. So I'm gonna end up here because I think it's done pretty well for updating the first page. I just need to look at what else in terms of like the design part. I'll show you guys how that works, but not today. I need to actually head out very soon. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.